Hello, my name is Claude Clark. I'm coming to you from a creative source at uh, youtube.com. Today we're going to look at a database that I've configured with a lot of artwork from West Africa, and we'll show you how to use it because a lot of people are going to have trouble trying to use that database. It is one of a series that I've put together. There are several others that are almost identical, but they're on other subjects, and I can still duplicate those to present other types of art from other portions of the world. Without further ado, we're going to get on into our subject, and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye.
This lesson is concerning how to use an art database at Earth Metropolis. The one we're going to be using is traditional African art. It has 868 pieces in there now. There, Nile Valley database. There's a African American art database. You can see they're all identical. What we're going to deal with is the African art, traditional African art. You see this section down here is where the search photograph and find it. Okay, and you see the laptop that keeps opening up, closing. That's where the email address is. Okay, first thing we're going to do is type in the word help. When you've never used this database before, make sure that's what you type in, help, because that's the only way you're going to find things in this database. It's not like Google or Yahoo. You have to use the terms that we use in this particular discipline. Alright, this shows you the box and the button that you're going to be using to find things. The box, you type in one word, and then you hit that button and you see the small box with links on it. That's what comes up. Make sure you close that box each time you look for something different. When you type in something different, we'll show you why it's important later. Okay, in the help section, it shows you all different types of things that you can look. We're looking at a replica of this same screen, and then on the right hand side, make sure you read everything that's in Find It. The one before that was Getting Started. Make sure you read everything that's in that box. Okay, this one shows you how to identify the groups, what you'll be looking for when you read in terms of names of people. Yoruba, Baule, Akan, Ashanti, Kuba, Pindi. Next one is a map, and it has the names of the countries. Another source that you'll be using, we'll talk about that later, the syllabus and various different indices. They have all these terms on there, so you could download those from this website and get familiar with them. Alright, next one deals with different types of symbols. Sea snail, ram, buffalo horns. You type in ram, you type in buffalo, and you get examples. And sea, or type in snail, and you get examples of that. The one that we're looking at now, Can't seem to find it. Okay, this one has the names or the terms by which the people call their items. Kuroa, Froa, Akuba. Akuba, that's there's three different Alcon words that were being used there. And that is the basic thing. Now, we're going to look at several different types of art. First, look at the Yoruba or Ife, Ile Ife. Look at some heads. And we're going to type in Benin. Each time we type in something new, we remember to close that box. Okay, the box is closed. So we hit the button, the box will come back up. Notice that red box with the white X inside of it on this little display of links. Okay, if you forget to hit that, you won't get the correct response. Now look what happens when we just make it small. Okay, we minimized it. Now we're going to type in the word Sanufo. Look what happens when we start clicking on that box. Keep clicking on it, and we can't find the box. So we go down to the startup menu where they have the open applications and browsers, and look, lo and behold, there's that box, but there's nothing in it. It says that we made an error, that does not, what we were trying to look for does not exist in the database. That's not true. See what happens after we close the box? Then we hit that button again. We didn't type the word in again. We just hit the button, and everything we're looking for comes up in that box. Okay, so make sure you close it. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.
That concludes our workshop for today, and I will be getting back to you with other assignments, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.